Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming out to you. I said, Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming to you. I don't know in what order, so I'm going backwards, okay?
Stacy, good morning, Miss Campbell. I don't know you, my girl, but I do love you for what you're saying, and everything you're saying is the truth. And I like how you do your research and put the truth out there, because that's key to everything. My name is Maxine Foster, and I'm the one who you were talking about this morning. Me and Donna is good, and we will be good. Donna did me wrong and she apologizes to it. I cuss her, she cuss me, we good. And nobody not gonna let me do what I don't want to do to that woman, because she's a great woman.
Man, Auntie Maxine, I've been watching you, man. I've been watching you and I love you, man. You understand? I'm just have to work, but overall, I love you. You hear me? I ain't go to Jamaica in a while and use a gardener. And you have your thing them. Me would love to buy some guinea and things like that from you. I love you and I respect you. Them people that try to use you, I don't like it. I don't like it. And I love and respect you, mom. I watch you, but I can't watch negativity because I watch this now. It no fair go on. You understand? And overall, man, when I speak, please just listen with understanding. Yeah? I'm in love with you know. I just can't know, man. When I put yourself out there, people are going to love her here. I am not a nationer, I'm not a plankener, I'm not none of that. I'm just somebody that was watching. And the boy that Ashanti too disrespectful. I not like him. I be want him to leave if he be anywhere near you. Straight up. Yeah, you could have been my auntie. You hear me? And I much love manners, respect. And you know, I thank you for reaching out to me, yeah? I'ma love you always, yeah? Anytime them I go discourage you, man, just remember, say, me I one of them who sit back and I watch and I never said nothing before. But you see, when it gone to a certain level, and then we have to take off our shoes. Even if we no argue, teeth and tongue may meet, but not the way Ashanti and the other one that do it. Suppose you ever see how I'm mad when time she leave your yard and what she say. That's not right. For real.
Listen, I don't know if you know the whole facts of this story. It started January 1st, where Donna had threw me out there. I know Donna was feeling some kind of way and stuff like that, and she threw me out there. We were friends, and if you see the apology that she made, you know she's sorry. I'm sorry too. But I mean, it started January 1st, where Donna put me out there, and everybody do me like dog, they do me bad. Yes, me know everybody they use me. Lorraine come, and Ashanti come and they put me out there that Donna could talk the truth. That's fine and okay, but what is it that everybody wanted? What they want to achieve. I already achieved the truth from Donna, and me and Donna is good. So what is it that everybody wanted right now? I don't know. But where Lorraine goes, she went very wrong. Very, very wrong. And let me tell you, me and you will talk. And listen, when Lorraine left me, I don't know, see half of what she left here with, you know. Don't see half of what she leave here with. Because she's only talking about the orange slippers. That's not all she left here with. But she can't open her mouth, because she's open her mouth. She might end up in a jail if she open her mouth. Her husband, if me never tell, because she talk to her husband with the intention that the husband will go cuss me off, tape all her husband, and make him talk things against me. But I'm not going against that man. That's a decent man. When he called me here, he said to me, Miss Maxine, because they set him up to call me, you know, and he called me and he said, Miss Maxine, I'm only calling you because I'm going to file a lawsuit, and when I file it, I don't want you to get caught into it. And I said, I let him talk, and I said, listen to me now, Steve. Go back and watch Lorraine's video, your very first video. And if you feel like you want to bring a lawsuit against anybody, believe me, and you right in your house, so you don't come to.
That, you see, for no apology together, That's okay. You know when me depend the fact of how them is and how them stay. But I want you to stay tuned because me I go play about them video. Nobody can tell me what I'm really, you know? None of them, it don't make no sense. You see, as long as you're done a good, that's all that matters. I know what they want. Give me a minute and you will hear what I say, man. Because I'm going to speak my mind and how I feel about the whole thing. I'm going to see the disadvantage where them take you. And I hear where Ashanti said, I'm not deaf. Yeah? And because of who my father was, I hear from my father there and I look down on me. So I'm not going to embarrass him. I'm not going to embarrass my family. I speak as if you was my auntie. I speak as if everyone. That's why we put everybody in our whole like where it makes sense. I just nasty them nasty and what them want. But I see death. But I know none of the people where them bring down disrespect or use are themselves. Just watch how me do them, man. Don't worry yourself, you know. Good people out there will understand, and I'm very young. Only 42. And you can link me. I don't care. Link me because what people are going to talk about, I ain't going to talk about it. Because we're in a serious times. You know what I'm saying? Everybody feel nice, man. Until me know all I want go on, you can see it. If them not like mix up, man, and can stand in the middle and be neutral, then we do it. Nobody can sue nobody. Because you see YouTube, you see videos, they have never been deleted. This is why I'm going to sit down, I'm going to watch. I watch the whole thing. But all I want you to do is stay encouraged. You have a beautiful heart and you're very giving. So I understand. Don't you worry. Just watch out, man. I'm going to do commentary upon them like it ain't nothing. Because it's not nobody's fault. It's what they say I play. You know? So I feed them vice. That's nasty, man. But I love everybody, even when them don't love themselves. But auntie, stay encouraged. You hear me? There's songs that I've made. It can encourage you too. You understand? And love and respect. Manners all the time.
Everybody is trying to get close to me because then I come out and say, listen, this woman is the only one can bring me down in a social media. This woman is the only one who can say anything and me not react and stuff like that. We already have our difference and we've gone across that long time. And they're trying to come close to me. Lauren tried. Oh, she tried. And even now, she will say, no matter what Donna do, you still love Donna. Yes, I love her and I will always love her no matter what she had done to me. We already passed that already. We already passed that. Believe me, so don't care how they come, they will never get me if you do nothing when you don't want to do. And it's all about money. It's all about money. You understand? But there's a lot more now, but you look for the surprise when I'm not going to give to them at the beginning of the year. You just look. Because believe me, it started with us and it's going to end with us. It's going to end with us. You look for the surprise when they're not going to get. I was living in Henry County in Locust Grove, Georgia. And you know, I have gungo and sorry that I have to bring down there from one of my friends down there in Henry County. She's in Henry County, in Locust Grove. But we'll talk, sweetheart. We will talk. Alright? Hi Stacy, good morning. I'm here watching your live and there's people in your comment cussing me out. I'm just here to watch your live and enjoy myself. I'm not here for the disgrace and I've already done that all year round. As you're cussing me for something that I didn't even do, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what. I'm here watching your thing and all you can do is like disrespectful and all of that.
Whatever y'all wanted her to do, to rob herself, to do wickedness, she said she wasn't going to do it. That's why I tell her, you in a beautiful sense, yo, as you could have been my auntie, stay away from the nonsense. Stay away from it. You understand? I can't look past that. Listen, how about if somebody try to take advantage? That's a weak, let me tell y'all something, that's a weak nigga. That's a weak ass nigga. Y'all, you know, I don't see that. I ain't gonna back them out the way. Because it's obvious she ain't got a problem.
I mean, Entrepreneur Boss ain't answering to nobody. So move them out the way. It's a bitch ass nigga and his plans. And that's it. That's why he's sleeping in a fucking car. And I don't care. Y'all can kiss my ass with the dumb shit. I don't feel like it. Did y'all not just hear what I played? Y'all acting like y'all ain't got no sense. That's why I don't like friends. I have my own best friends. You understand me? And I ain't got no time for it. My best friend will tell me if I'm wrong or am I right. This is intervention. I'm not here to pick sides and shit. Fuck you talking about. My sister shouldn't have to tell me to tell you what the fuck that means. It means I ain't the fuck biased. Now, to hear this, right, and been waiting on the Antiplanca boss to do something, I ain't seeing that yet. But did you not hear what I just heard? Wendy, you better not touch me bumbo clock thing and stay which part you there. I know who I don't want with my shit. You hear? Oh, and tell that like a shit up boy that when me I try blood clot for the last couple of days. Price gone all the way down. Now can you imagine somebody going through something like that? That's why I'm saying, yeah, sure. Man have no blood clot ambition, him lose him way long time ago. Yeah. No, everything him say, him eye red like beetroot. Where the shit up girl them there? Me want the number gear or in my belly it a go. I never seen nobody drop dead before. I'm not too wicked, man. I can't mind on the business I'm going on one way. But another day I'm not fast with people. What about when only they do something? Them love expose people every day. I tell them to bring the new year in right. Me now wait and see nothing. This is the top of the cake. And if me I go any deeper in this, with for them chattings, because I for them chattings do it. It's not me. No. They chat too much. Eh? Then they want to come in, involve the girl. But, and she's so, but what the fuck she was talking about yesterday? Girl, get the hell out my face. I done told you to stay away from that old snake. That shark. Honey. If you ain't feel stupid yesterday, girl, I'm going to go on and tell you right now. Go on and be quiet, shawty. Go on and be quiet. Honey, boo-boo, you have talked too fucking much. I don't know, but you have rubbed me the wrong way, and I tried to tell you, honey, mind your business, because you don't know shit. That means you're a part of the plan. Look at it. How many of them going down? 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 Who told the truth? We'll get a little bit of charge, or absolutely go on jail free. Get a jail free. You free to go. You free to go, Maxine. You free to go. Thank you. Here we go. Put the line up on the wall. I see Lorraine. All her chattings, all the fucking information that you've been having, young lady. Where's all of it now? What is going on in the back of my grounds? Have you not heard what I heard? You better tell Buff Bay to get out my face. And remember, I am as broke as a joke. I don't want you to pay my damn bills. Nuh-uh, honey. Conspiracy is a motherfucker, and I don't want to get caught up with you. Keep your 25 pennies, honey. Yeah, you more need them than I do. You better shut the fuck up while you out here in the media and stop disrespecting your daughter. Honey, I love you, whoever you are, respect to you, and if you are in a relationship, that's your business. Oh, Matlock, I am going to throw the book at you, bitch, because You set out here on a plan. Oh, I will get back to you. Move them. Wendy, for disrespecting every prophecy out here, every pastor that means the world some good in the Jamaican community and Jamaica period, get your ass over there with them. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming out to you, not to you. I said, Holy Mount Zion,